What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be rolling out together, so follow along. It's a little bit of a relaxing, kind of just roll out, de-stress video. I don't know why I forgot to connect my receiving mic to my camera, but I did. I waited an hour and a half for them to charge, and then I didn't even remember to plug it back in. I'm super sorry. I'm gonna do my best to tell you guys exactly what I'm talking about in the video, so wish me luck and follow along. So this first rolling technique is we're gonna roll out our calf. And what you wanna do is you wanna roll really slow. So put the roller horizontal and put 1 foot on the roller at a time so it has a little bit more tension. Hold your body up off the ground and just roll nice and easy back and forth. And if you want to, you can even pivot your foot left or right to get the outside or the inside of your calf. Just go really, really slow and easy. And when you find that pressure point where it feels like it's the most tense, just stop there and hold that for 30 seconds. And just really massage that area so you can get out that tension. Rolling is not my favorite. I can tell you that right now. It hurts like a mofo, but it really is necessary when it comes to muscle recovery, muscle growth, and just almost de-stressing your entire body. It really does work and it really does help. So I don't know what I'm saying right here, but I'm sure it's important. This is pretty much just a summary of what I'm sure I'm saying. I'm gonna lightly fast forward it. We're just gonna go ahead and do this together. So take it at your own pace. Remember, don't rush, don't push yourself too hard. You will be very sensitive, especially if you're not really rolling a lot or working out or stretching often. So rolling might really hurt in the beginning. So take it easy, do your thing. Remember to breathe through every exercise and just relax. When you're ready, go ahead and switch legs. You want to use the same technique on the other leg. Just go ahead and massage lightly, push forward, push back, and then if you want to, go ahead and pivot your feet to the right or to the left so you can get the inner and outer sides of the calf muscle. Really take your time and make sure your body is off the mat so that you can really get that extra tension out of your muscles by the pressure from your body weight kind of pushing down on that area. Next, we're going to go ahead and we are going to roll out the side of our leg. What you want to do is you want to go on your side, prop yourself up and put your back foot in the front. This is going to help you guide and balance. So what you're going to see right here is I'm going to use that foot in the front that's propped up to kind of push myself up and pull myself back. This right here is probably one of the most painful parts of the body to roll out. It is so painful because there's very few stretches that can actually stretch the C-band, which is what we call that muscle right there. Really, really hard to stretch out the side of your legs with just regular stretches. So this could be a very, very painful rollout for you. Just take it really slow. Like I said, find that tension spot and just sit on that for 30 seconds and really just massage it gently to get all the tension out of your legs. Go ahead and switch sides whenever you're ready and just lightly roll out again. You want to take your time with this. It should be relaxing. You should be breathing and enjoying yourself. If it's not too painful for me, it's not too painful to do the sides of my legs, but the quads, it's ridiculously painful. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna take the roller and you're gonna put it in front of your leg and you're going to stay off of the mat with the leg that you're rolling out. So as you can see in the video, the leg on the mat is the leg that's bent up. the leg off the mat is the leg that's on the roller. That's what you want to look like as well. So pull your leg to the front, put your quad on the roller, and use that leg that's propped up to really just guide and pull your body up and push back. You'll see right now, there you go, and then just use that. This is my least favorite one right here. It hurts so bad. I am dying. Honestly, you guys can't tell, but my face is probably red. I'm probably in so much pain, or I was in so much pain when I actually filmed this video. So take your time with this one. Really just go easy because the front of your legs is so hard to stretch out too. So just take your time. Go ahead and switch legs when you can. As you can see in the video, just go ahead and keep that one leg off of the mat that you're rolling and keep the other leg on the mat that you aren't rolling, and just go ahead and pull yourself forward and push yourself back as needed. All right, this next one, we're going to roll out the hamstrings. And what you want to do is you want to take it one leg at a time as well. Prop yourself up and just roll from the bottom of the butt to the knee. No farther up and no further down. If you want a little extra tension, place your foot on top of your knee for a little extra pressure if you can handle that. If you can't handle that, just do your thing. Don't stress it. Go ahead and switch sides, roll it out, find that tension spot, hold for 30 seconds. You should be holding for 30 seconds at every exercise we do on both sides. Find that tension spot is so important. Massage it out and keep it moving. We're only finding one tension spot in this video. You could probably find hundreds if you're at home, honestly, but for the length of the video, I do want to keep it a little short and really just get to the main exercises. This next exercise, we are going to be rolling out the buttocks. And what you want to do is you want to sit straight on the roller. This is honestly one of my favorite ones. It feels so good. I love rolling out the underneath of my butt. That one hurts the worst. And what I like to do is, if you can see right here, I like to bring my arms forward, almost like a stretch roll. I bring my arms forward and I point my toes up a little bit, and it just gives me a little bit more tension. And it really, really helps to just massage it out. And it's really tense because I hit legs and butt a lot, so you know how that goes. It's also really nice to take it onto your lower back and just lightly go down like that. If you have long hair, you can attest to this. It's really hard to roll your back with long hair without having to pick it up off the ground, because if you roll too fast, your hair will get stuck underneath it and you'll end up rolling your neck back, and that is not fun. So in this next exercise, I had to put my hood up because my hood kept getting caught underneath the thing too. And I don't know why I'm so silly, and I'm talking into that mic and it's not even working. Whatever. So roll out your back is very simple. Just keep your back horizontal and just roll out. I like to bring it in all the way, just like that, and then go all the way back nice and slowly. And I like to also find the pressure point here and just stay on that tension point. For me, it's right there, kind of in the upper back. And I just kind of waited right there for 30 seconds and released some of that tension. this next exercise, what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll out the inner thigh. What you wanna do is you wanna take your foam roller and run it vertically to your body, and you wanna prop your leg up on it and bring your other leg down onto the ground. This is really gonna hurt, honestly, when you get right next to the knee. So be very careful when you're getting up next to the knee. I don't know why, but the knees are very, very sensitive when it comes to rolling. So just take your time with this, find the stress point, and just sit there for 30 seconds. If you really want a little bit more pressure, you can even bring your arms up while you're doing this. It'll just give you a little bit more pressure and hurt a little bit more. You can also bring your body off the ground a little bit, pick up that second leg that's resting on the ground, and you'll also get a little bit more tension that way. Go ahead and switch legs when you get the chance and just relax, breathe, and roll out. All right, this last rolling exercise, we're gonna roll out the lats. And what you wanna do is you wanna bring the foam roller right underneath your body, and you're going to put one leg in the back, and we're not really gonna use our legs for this one. So whatever's comfortable, you can do. It's kind of an awkward one, and honestly, probably my second to least favorite, because I never do this one and it always hurts the worst. So what you want to do is you don't want to slouch too much. You see how my shoulders are kind of square? You really want to keep your shoulders square and not slouch too much if you can. Sometimes you just can't help it because it's so damn painful, but literally, like, this one is so painful. So take it really, really slow. I don't know what I'm saying right now. I'm sure it's important, but I just can't read my lips that well. And then go ahead and switch sides when you can. Take your time. Like I said, this one hurts like crazy. You can see my face is just painful. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a great way to roll out and relax with me. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next workout. Bye.